Unit 8. My Clothes. Track 48. Page 108. 1. Follow the lines and find. Then listen and repeat.
Spring. Summer. Fall. Autumn. Winter.
Track 49. Page 111. 5. Listen, point and repeat.
Rainy. Windy. Snowy. Cloudy. Sunny.
Track 50. Page 111. 6. What is the weather like? Listen and draw symbols.
What is the weather like in Istanbul in fall? It is cool and cloudy. What is the weather like in Erzurum in winter? It is cold and snowy. What is the weather like in Antalya in summer? It is hot and sunny. What is the weather like in Rize in spring? It is cool and rainy. What is the weather like in Ankara in spring? It is warm and sunny. What is the weather like in Izmir in autumn? It is warm and windy.
Track 51. Page 113. 9. Cut out and glue these pictures on sticks. Then listen, sing and show the correct pictures.
4 seasons in a year, 4 seasons in a year. Spring, summer, fall, winter, 4 seasons in a year. It rains in spring, it is hot in summer, it's windy in fall, and it's snowy in winter. 4 seasons in a year, 4 seasons in a year. Spring, summer, fall, winter, 4 seasons in a year. 4 seasons in a year, 4 seasons in a year. Spring, summer, fall, winter,
Track 52. Page 115. 10. Follow the lines to find the names of these objects. Then, listen, point and repeat.
Trousers, jeans, boots, socks, hat, shoes, dress, sunglasses, gloves, skirt, coat.
Track 53. Page 116. 11. Listen to the dialogues and number the pictures.
1.
What is the weather like?
It's rainy. You need an umbrella.
Can I borrow your umbrella?
Here you are. 2.
What is the weather like, Mom? I want to go out.
It's windy. Wear your coat.
Okay.
3.
What is the weather like?
It's sunny. You need sunglasses.
Can I borrow your sunglasses?
No, sorry, they are broken. Put on your hat.
Okay.
4.
What is the weather like in Ankara in winter?
It is cold and snowy. You need your boots, coat, gloves, and scarf.
Good. They're all here.
And take your hat.
Okay.
Track 54. Page 117. 13. Listen and match the clothes and accessories with the seasons. Write them in the box below.
There are 4 seasons in a year. They are fall or autumn, winter, spring, and summer. In fall, it is cool. We wear dresses, jeans, trousers, and skirts. In winter, it is cold. We need boots, gloves, socks, coats, and warm trousers or skirts. In spring, the weather is warm. We wear jeans, dresses, skirts, or trousers. In summer, it is hot and sunny. We put on sunglasses and hats, and we wear thin clothes.
Track 55. Page 117. 14. Listen to the dialogue and make similar dialogues.
It's cold here. Can I borrow your coat?
Of course. Here you are.
Can I borrow your gloves too?
No, sorry. I need them.